only in the API side. Also you can pass the generic key so that no one will not trigger the revalidate. So that will be safe and secure here. So this is how it will be. So you can see on the client side rendering, so the client should wait until the code is ready, until it processes the data. So till then user needs to wait at least more than 5 to 6 seconds to get the complete data. So whereas in the server side rendering, so everything will be available on the server side. It is ready to serve. So whenever we are calling any API, it won't take more than 2 to 3 seconds because all the HTML will be there, all the logics will be already available. Only if you are getting the API, it will process the data and it will immediately return back to the content, so that it will be faster, and also it will be mainly using for the SEO purpose. So the Google crawling or any search engine crawling will be easy on the server side rendering. So that is the main reason that we are using NextJs server side rendering. The second one is server actions. So server actions, in the sense, all the logics will be happen on the server side within your component itself. So if you are dealing with any API, you have to create one separate API layer and you have to fit the API to the backend. But in the server actions, so the logics will be within the component itself. You can only create the server action that will deal with the server and it will return back the response. So here there is an example called, say for an example, there is the product detail page. So when you go into the Flipkart, if you are buying any product or if you are using the red bus, so there will be a coupon code or there is some code options will be there. So if client wants to do not expose the API to the client side, it should be happen only on the server side, it should not be exposed. In that case, we can use this scenario. So we can create the server actions by using the keyword called use server. So when you create a component, you have to mention the key called use server, and then the server actions will be always asynchronous. So it will directly deal with the server and it will get the data. So all the logics will be handled within the server itself. So it won't be exposed to the client side. So if without server action, what will happen is it will go to the server and then it will hit the API. It will return the response first, and then based on the response we have to render the page. So to avoid that, for those cases we can go with this server action. So this is how it will be. Without server action, so the request for data update will go to the server, updated responses will come, and then the updated API. We need to wait till that. Whereas in the server action, with server action, both updated response and updated UI will be ready, because all the logic that we are dealing in the server itself. This is the code the sample code that I have written here. So here you can see I have created action handle apply button. So this is the form. I'm just entering the template. So if you know the coupon code, you can enter the coupon code in your application, and then it will hit that action. So the handle apply coupon that I have it in a different file. So the server actions file that I have it in this different place. You can see here, this is my server action file. I have the logic here. I am getting the coupon and then the actual price, and then it's just a basic calculation. If the coupon is available, then I am reducing the 0.80%, If there is no coupon, I am returning the exact price here. So this is how it will be. So initially you can see it was discount price 9T. If you know any coupon code, so once you apply, it will deal with the direct server. So the API won't be exposed on the client side. I already put the console. You can see the console is also available here. So the console is also won't be available on the client side. So that will be secure. So the data won't be exposed, or the key, anything won't be exposed here. Can you move on to the next slide? The next one is app router. So in React, we mostly use the page router. Whatever pages inside the component